everybody here. We've got 50 years under our belt, and we got 50 more in front of us. But I have an opportunity to go to every dive school globally in the world, and I have. And I can tell you, this is the best school in the world. This is the best school in the world.
When I went to school in 1984, that's when they were diving the Mark V's. It was a whole different world.
He wanted to make it a safe industry. You know, that's what he worked towards.
Looking back at it now, it was the best decision that I ever made. And I think this school had a lot to do with building that foundation for me to springboard into the industry and to really flourish to the degree that I have.
To choose Divers Institute of Technology was the best decision I made out of the military.